Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis in my last analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned how we can look for trade. Anyway, we didn't get any opportunity for buy, and we see this down move because we mentioned even if the price drop, we're looking at the 59 as the support. If the price couldn't break any reversal, we'll take the trade. There was opportunity to look for buy from here, right? For those traders, still keeping the trade from here, at least move their stop loss to break even. No one see what's the next. Anyway, we start with the higher time frame. We start with daily chart. And based on daily chart, we're looking for this correction, all right? Now, if we get any opportunity for buy, the next level we're looking for to see the breakout of the 67,500. This is what we have been looking for. If we refer to our analysis, I mentioned we are looking to see the breakout of the 67,500 because as you can see, the price almost takes 67. All right, then we see the rejection, but we're looking to see the breakout of the 67,500. With the breakout of the 67,500, the next level I'm looking for is 81. All right, how deep this correction can be, because if you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned it, we can put in relative to this. That's mean we can expect this one turn to flat. We can put over fib here, and we can even expect this one to drop to as a 60% before we get the reversal. But at this point, we are looking at the 59 as a support. If there is a breakout of the 59, then we put our fib here. All right, but what I'm looking for is, at this point, we can put this one in relative to this. We can look for flat. All right, that's mean if you get any opportunity for buy, we will take it, and we're looking to see the breakout of the 67,500. And if you move to forward chart, we have nothing else to discuss. Similar things. The only thing is whether, because if you put this low relative to the previous one, if you refer to the MACD, we don't see the divergence, but another indicator showing me a divergence. That means we have two different information right now, whether this is the start of the reversal, and we can consider this one as a correction to look for buy, or we can expect this one turn to flat in relative to this. Even the first one have an internal flat for one more drop, either from here or higher, we get one more drop before we get the reversal. For sure, if this one happen, we can expect to see the divergence for both. It can give us better confirmation for reversal. But since we have a different information based on the different indicators, right now, if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. All right, we don't need to wait for this correction to turn to a deeper or more complex correction. That's mean any opportunity for buy from now, we will take it. If it's moving our direction, it's good. We keep the trade. If not, we just take with the trade. All right. But if I move to 1 hour chart, how to look for trade? Having entry above the top, because of this shadow, I won't suggest it. All right. The only thing is, if we get any breakout as a sharp move flag, I will take the trade. All right. I don't think we can get any trade within this one unless we trade based on 15 or 5 minutes. Even if we want to look for the sharp move flag, we have to see the sharp move following by flag with the breakout of this correction. Then from there, we will take the trade. It depends where we get the flag. We have to wait. Simply, we cannot put our entry at this point at the top, or we wait this one turn to a more bigger or complex before we take the next trade. Deeper correction. When I say deeper correction relative to this move, I'm referring, okay? At this point, as I say, I don't see any opportunity to look for buy. Even if the price continue from here, the only way is to wait for the flag. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. Having entry above the top is not really good idea. I don't suggest it. And I'm looking to see the breakout of the 67 following by 67,500. This is what I'm looking for. Any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it, but we consider as a short term. What I mean by short term, if we get a trade which is not moving our direction, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours, because we don't want to buy almost at the all-time high, then the price drop. Because if we move to the daily chart, if the price couldn't break the 67,500, how about if this one as a first, second, and this one turn to third wave? All right, we are not looking for this option, but we need to know we can expect this one even happen. That's why if you want to look for buy, we need to know how to manage it unless we see the breakout of the previous all-time high or 67, which is right now we're referring to the 67K, and we see the continuation. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.